Jonathon, so there he was. Kevin Spacey absolutely looked exhausted through what he's been through, but this isn't the end. It's not over.
Well, I've sat with clients many times in a trial, and it's impossible to describe how stressful it is. Of course, he will have been brutally cross-examined. He will have sat and listened to a whole series of allegations against him, which he knows aren't true, but he'll know be splashed all over the newspapers. There are a few things more traumatic. I should make it clear, and I'm so sorry if I didn't, if he'd been found guilty, there would then have been a whole series of claim letters against him. The fact that he's been found not guilty hopefully means that he will not get claim letters. The difference in a civil claim is that you only have to prove the allegations on the balanced probabilities. In a criminal process, it has to be beyond reasonable doubt. Now, it would still be open to those who've made allegations to bring claims against him. My hope and expectation is that any lawyer who would be minded to do it, and they would obviously want to do it on a no-win, no-fee basis, will assume that in the light of these not guilty verdicts, then it's not a claim worth bringing. So I very much hope he'll be spared the civil process.
Yeah, I see. I hear you. So potentially claim letters via the civil courts, but no-win, no-fee lawyers are unlikely to touch it, seeing as he's been found not guilty. And usually people who are making these kind of allegations would choose that kind of lawyer because they don't have to fork out any costs just in case it goes wrong. I hear you. So now, in terms of reputation and damage, Kevin Spacey's lost a lot. He's still got legal bills to pay. I mean, as an estimate, how much do you think, in terms of legal fees, do you think he might be looking at?
Well, a full trial with a top team of solicitors and top barristers at £1 to £2 million at least.
Wow.
And of course, I mean, he's been cancelled by. And this is the dreadful thing. He's been cancelled by the whole film industry. So he's effectively at the moment without any means of earning a living, and query where anyone will have him back. Because although he's been found not guilty by the jury, the key thing for film executives is whether the public will now accept him back as someone who's a top working star. And who knows whether they will or they won't. I very much hope they will. But his career may have suffered irreparable damage through all this.